In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 7-second reel, the ones that actually go viral, because talking heads, they don't work anymore. And I'm going to show you how to download the viral audio, how to edit the video with CapCut, and how to use Chat GPT to come up with the caption. So welcome back, my marketing buddies. My name is Jose Ricardo Rosado, and I work from a country most people can't place in the map, the Dominican Republic. So it would be nice if you can join me today by liking and sharing this video. And the first step you need to take is to actually go to your Instagram and start saving your reels. Why? Because here, in the More option, you can go to the Saved option and you'll find a bunch of reels that you've saved. And that way you can just go to the reel, copy the audio, download the audio, and start using it. So let's use this one as an example. And unfortunately, I can't use the audio because then I'm going to get a copyright strike here. So I can't share the audio with you, but I leave the link down below of this reel so you can hear the audio yourself. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Command-Shift-C on my Mac to copy the URL, as you can see right there, right? I'm using Arc, by the way, and that shortcut is a lifesaver, time saver. Now, the next thing is I'm going to this app. I don't know how legal this is, so hopefully it is. If not, see you in jail, my friends. Anyhow, I'm going to paste the link right there. And I'm going to hit enter. Sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm just going to do it once again. There it is. Now I'm going to click the download option, close all of these things, and now you'll see that I have my audio right there. So the next step is going to Finder, finding the real audio and dropping it on CapCut, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to import it, bam. Next, I'm going to drag and drop it right here. And I'm going to click this option that you see right there. And the reason I'm adding this to CapCut is because I want to have the audio and the visuals, the videos, and whatever graphic I'm using go to the beat. So for example, let's say that the audio goes pam, param, pam, param, pam. That's the beat, that tang, tang, tang. You want each of the videos to fall right where the beat ends. And you can see that in CapCut right here. If we zoom in, hopefully you can see it. You see that yellow little thing right there, that little dot? That's the beat, and that's where we're going to be adding the jump cuts, the videos, and that way we don't have to be counting the beats, none of that. CapCut already did that for us. The next step is to actually find a footage, a video, or something that is interesting. In this case, I'm just going to drop this one because you see that's me carrying my kid. I'm just going to drop it right there. And I see that this video is a little bit shorter than the audio, but that's fine. I can just like drag this and it's done. And now let me see how this looks. There it is. There's a drop. That's the beat drop. That's exactly where you're going to make the change or add a jump cut or add a new text, which is what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to make this a little bit darker so that I can add the text. And all I have to do is just lower the opacity a little bit. Then I'm going to add the text by clicking this option right there. Next, I am going to drag and drop the text right there. And I already have the text, so I'm going to paste it right now. Paste it. Next, I'm going to select the text once again and change the font size by clicking right there. Awesome. And I'm going to add a little bit of shadow by clicking that option right there. And I think I could add some kind of border. There it is. So it's obvious what it is. Now I'm going to make this right there down to the beat. There it is. Now I'm going to copy and paste this thing. I'm going to drag it until the end. And this I'm going to click and drag right to the beat so that it changes. But now let's change the text so we can see how the text changes. Select it, Command-A on the Mac, Control-A on the PC to select everything. And now I'm going to paste these things right there. Awesome. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a read caption for more. And I'm going to add a little hand pointing down. This is going right here in the middle. And this could be a little bit smaller. Let's do it right now. There it is. Beautiful. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, there it is. And now we have the freaking reel. Can you see how fast that is? It took me a little bit longer because, of course, I'm recording this video, but this will take you like 10 minutes to create. From downloading it and writing the short text that the video has, straightforward. The next step is to actually create the copy. And how are you going to do that? Let me show you how I am going to do it really fast with you right now using Chat GPT. Since I've written a bunch of content, all I have to do is go to Chat GPT and use this prompt. I'm going to give it a template to create a piece of content about topic. The topic in this case is just the title of the video, as you can see here. And the template is another post that I already created. And let's collapse this so we can see it better. So the post is meant to work like this. This first line is the only thing that you see when you have the reel on your phone. If you go to your phone, you'll see that that first line is the only thing that you see. So it should be short, 5, 6, 7 words long tops. Now, the second sentence is the lead because it's leading people into reading the next lines. And finally, of course, you have the value and more importantly, the call to action. And in this case, this is a post that I posted like a week or two ago. And all I'm doing is using it as template. And as you can see, ChatGPT will take this as a template, we'll use this topic, and we'll produce this piece of content. Beautiful, right? So it actually understood. Now, this is not perfect. It's far from it. For example, here, it's using like step 6, step 7, which I'm not talking about. I'm not talking about steps, none of that. I'm talking about skills. So what I could do is copy and paste all of these things by clicking that option and then editing the post. And let me show you the end result right now, right here on my Instagram account. So you can see how the post ended. There it is. Let's zoom in. You see, you have mastered your internet business fast. A lot of people get it wrong, etc., etc. And then I turned the steps into principles. But I edited the text so it fit the right criteria, the things that I actually wanted to post. So it's a very straightforward process to actually create viral reels quickly. It will take you like 10 to 15 minutes to create one of them. And with time, it'll just take way less. So right now, what I want to do is I want to give you a few ideas on how to work with this way faster. And for that, I'm going to share my beautiful iPad so that you can see the process in a nutshell. So you can do it faster. So let's share the iPad with you. And here it is. What you're going to do is you're going to find the viral audio first. That's the first step. Find the viral audio. And all you have to do is save a bunch of them and then download all of these things and have it already waiting for you so you can start creating the videos. The next step is you're going to create the video hook. And the video hook is the content that goes inside the video. So you're going to take a look at the audio. You're going to take a look at the original video so you can imitate the style if you want to imitate it. If not, that's totally fine. And then you're going to create the video hooks. And once you're done with that, you're going to create the caption. And the way you're going to do that is literally take a look at some of your previous posts. Use that as template and use the ChatGPT prompt that I just showed you in the screen. Use your own posts as templates. This is what we call batch creating. You're going to be downloading a bunch of viral audios in one sitting, 10, 20, 30, however you want. Then you're going to write a bunch of viral hooks for the video, and then you're going to write a bunch of captions, and you're going to tie them to the video hook so that the video, the viral audio, and the caption are all working in unison to help you go viral. You're going to organize that in your favorite app. It could be in Notion, it could be in ClickUp, and then all you have to do is post the content. So as you can see, it's a very straightforward path to go from no reel to having a reel posted in minutes. Literally, it will take you 10 to 15 minutes if you already know how to use CapCut. If not, CapCut is a very simple app to use. Anyone can use it and it's free. Anyhow, my name is Ricardo Rosal. Thank you so much for watching this video and talk to you soon.